Welcome to the Space Museum.
Little engineers, are you ready?
I'm ready! I'm ready!
Great! Now complete the first task as an engineer. Assemble the rocket.
Assembling rockets. The first step. Move forward, move forward. The second one. Open. Rockets. Escape flag. Rocket assembly complete. Launch. Huh? The fuel is almost out. It cannot be launched.
Just like a car cannot run without fuel, a rocket cannot take off without fuel. Look at the empty fuel tank inside the rocket.
Turn the valve and fill the fuel. Refueling complete.
Everything is ready. Launch the rocket. Three, two, one, press. Rocket takes off.
To outer space.
Little engineers, the rocket launch task is complete.
Quack, quack, quack. It's so cool to launch a rocket. It must be the fire that makes the rocket fly.
Yuri almost right, but still wrong. Let's see what happens to the rocket when its fuel is filled. The fuel passes through a pipe to the combustion chamber. At the same time, the oxidizer from another tank is also here. Pull the fuel towards the oxidizer and see what happens.
Wow, the fuel hasn't changed.
The fuel expands rapidly and starts to burn, producing a lot of gas. The gas extinguishes and the rocket is pushed upwards, just like the balloon we play with.
I wanna blow it! I wanna blow it!
That's okay. Let's try again.
The balloon is ready.
Try releasing the balloon.
Release, the balloon is gone.
Watch as Rocky releases his hand. The air inside the balloon flows rapidly downward and the balloon will be pushed upward. To lift the rocket, does the gas move upward or downward?
Downward.
That's right. Then the rocket can fly into the air.
Stars, there are so many stars.